In this video, I'll show you how to dub a video into another language with ElevenLabs. First, open your web browser, go to the ElevenLabs website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the dubbing tool from the dashboard. Next, click Upload and select the video you want to translate and dub from your computer. Wait for the upload to finish before continuing. Now, choose the original language spoken in the video. Then select the language you want to dub the video into. If your account includes additional options, review the available voice and dubbing settings before starting the process. After that, click the Dub or Generate button and wait while ElevenLabs translates the speech and creates the dubbed version of your video. The processing time will depend on the length of your video. Finally, preview the dubbed video to make sure you're happy with the translation and audio quality. If everything looks good, click the Download button to save the dubbed video or audio to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to dub a video into another language with ElevenLabs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.